いい感じ? So today I'm at the Shinjuku area and we are gonna do sushi making class. So actually we do have sushi making from MagicalTrip, which is like, you know, sushi roll and eggplant grill with some miso sauce and something. And we are gonna do like make miso soup. But yeah, today actually I've never done making like proper sushi, I mean nigiri, because like I never get chance to come. But one of my friend, Ai-san, is doing Nigiri Shushi making class here. So I just decided to come over here. 今日はよろしくお願いします。
お願いします。
ちょっとじゃあ自己紹介の方お願いします。
新宿の寿司メイキングクラスで寿司を握る講師をしてる愛です。今日は寿司10貫と軍艦2貫とお味噌汁とあと日本酒。はい、一緒に作って食べて楽しんでいきましょう。
で、このお寿司なんですけれども、仕入れ先がすごい。
そうなんです。朝に築地から寿司を取ってもらってそこから仕入れているのですごい新鮮で美味しいお寿司を握れます。はい、じゃあ寿司を作る前に3つクイズをしたいと思います。はい、じゃあまず第1問。はい。ででん。日本には何店舗お寿司屋さんがあるでしょう。2問。はい。日本の握り寿司の一番ナンバーワンのネタは何ですか。A がサーモン、B がマグロ。じゃあラストの質問。はい。はい。第3問。はい。握り寿司は何年前からあるでしょうか。
So this is her recommendation, Dasai. So actually during the tour, you can drink if you want. And since I'm alcoholic, and of course I will drink. And this is one of my favorite sake actually. So it's quite nice because it's super dry and more like flavor and go through your nose. And also like, and it's still like 12 or something. Drinking from daytime, it's so good. Okay, so we just done making it and eat. I still eating, but so actually she's Japanese and I'm Japanese, and just we did in Japanese for this class for today. But actually she does speak English. So if you want to join this tour, no worries. They have a lot of tour guides who speak English here. So Yeah, you should join this tour because it's premium. I've never tried sushi nigiri making and stuff. And also the fish and those kind of rice and so good. I mean, I've been to a lot of sushi places because I make tours. I think maybe over 100, 200 sushi places I've ever been to, but this is one of the best ones. So you should definitely come here. Can you just introduce yourself?
Yes. Hello, my name is I teach how to make Nigiri Sushi in Shinjuku. So if you want to have a fun experience making Nigiri Sushi with me or with our other stuff, please come to Shinjuku Sushi making class. And yeah, let's have fun. And thank you for coming.
No, thank
here.
you. No,
yes.
thank you. And also you can drink sake actually. So this is so good.
Yes, and also you can take back your glass if you like finish drinking, enjoy your sake. So that can also be your like souvenir from Japan. And yeah, remember this fun memory. Yeah.
When does this tour open? Like from Monday to Sunday, or what time, the slot or something?
So this place is open through Monday to Sunday, so every single day, 11 to 12:30 and 1:30 to 3 p.m.
Okay. So actually, how far from the Shinjuku station?
So it's gonna take about 10 minutes from Shinjuku station.
Okay.
5 minutes from Yoyogi station.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.